As some of you may know, we have chickens. We live out in the country, and a lot of our neighbors out here have various poultry items, but somehow, let's see if I can zoom in a bit, these guineas, there's 3 of them over there, really can't see them real well. This wind may be messing with my audio. These 3 guineas have came about probably almost 3/8 of a mile down the road. And they have claimed this place as their own. I don't mind that. It's free tick control. They don't like snakes. Anytime somebody comes around, they go bark, 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 bark. Can't do a guinea call and sound like a chicken, but they are most welcome here. We will feed them and they'll be fine. And they're jumping the fence because they're kind of scared of me. Not used to me yet. But Alyssa, you know who you are. Thank you for the guineas. Cranky out.